Can you handle hard times? Mga kapatid, no one knows what will bring or what tomorrow will bring. No? Pero meron tayong katiyakan sa pangako ng Panginoon. We have learned since last few years that our plans and God's plans aren't always the same. But we need not give way to fear because our future is in the Lord's hands. Amen? So we will be all right no matter what happens. We seem to be passing through a most difficult period of history with no end in sight. Many things about tomorrow I don't seem to understand, but I know who holds tomorrow. And I know He holds my hand. Tulad po ng sinasabi ng awit. So kaya nga po sa katapus-tapusan, I wish I could say the things will get better in 3 months. That might be true. I hope it is, but only the Lord knows for sure. So the question becomes, will you trust the Lord or will you give in to worry? Alam niyo po ba that your answer goes a long way to determine your impact on your family, friends, and your neighbors? The world wants to know if what we believe is real. Can you handle hard times? Will you still trust Jesus in uncertain days? Will you walk in worry, or will God's peace guide your heart? Ikaw ang makakasagot niyan, mga kapatid. But I want to assure you that you have a great future because we have a great God. God bless you.